Better late than never. That's what some families, advocates, and state lawmakers have to say about the state's sudden decision to publish COVID-19 deaths specific to each nursing home in Indiana. Call 6 Investigates' Kara Kenny has been questioning the governor's administration about this for months and joins us now with what some say needs to happen next.
We've been asking since mid-April where people have died in Indiana nursing homes and where they've gotten sick. The state has denied us every single time, citing privacy concerns and even telling us they don't have the information in a document. Well, now the Holcomb administration has changed its stance.
We are going to report facility-specific COVID-19 data.
This apparent change of heart is encouraging to people like David Johnson.
Well, I'm really happy the state's decided to reverse course.
His loved one died at an Indiana nursing home in April, and even though the facility chose to publish COVID-19 information on its website, David says it's data everyone should get to see.
It's transparency that not only the families appreciate, but the communities where these nursing centers exist, I think really do deserve that kind of data. Why the state took 4 months to now come to this, what seems like a reasonable decision is a little bit strange.
The state says earlier in the pandemic, they were focused on testing and infection control at nursing homes and credited groups like AARP for making the change.
We were just as surprised as everyone, but it was definitely welcomed information, information that we've been waiting for and have deserved for a long time.
The new dashboard will be released later this summer and will contain data for nursing home residents and employees, demographics of those who had COVID, and the number of recoveries. Advocates and lawmakers hope the data will show exactly when deaths and cases happened.
We can maybe learn from those facilities that have had a significant impact and what they're doing better now and what has helped. And so I hope that we can use this data to tell the story and learn from it.
I need to understand whether this is something that happened 90 days ago, it's been totally cleaned up, or whether it's ongoing. Yeah, the data has to be put together in a way that does not mislead or panic people, but does inform them.
The state says it plans to publish data that goes all the way back to March 1st when the pandemic began. Families and advocates say they'll be keeping close watch once it's posted. We requested a one-on-one interview with Governor Holcomb. We were told he's unavailable and that we can ask questions at the next news conference on Wednesday. Reporting at the State House, Kara Kenny, WRTV 6.
We reached out to the Indiana Healthcare Association, which represents nursing homes. They told us, quote, "We sincerely appreciate Governor Eric Holcomb's leadership and his administration's consistent efforts to engage our professionals throughout this pandemic and look forward to continued collaboration," end quote.